creating and customizing sales pipelines in HubSpot. Welcome to this video on creating and customizing sales pipelines in HubSpot. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up and tailor your sales pipeline to meet the unique needs of your business. HubSpot offers a range of customizable sales pipeline templates that you can use as a starting point. These templates are designed to help you streamline your sales process and improve your team's productivity. To access the sales pipeline templates, simply log in to your HubSpot account and navigate to the sales section. Once you've selected a template, you can customize it to fit your business needs. This includes adding or removing stages, adjusting the workflow, and setting up custom fields. For example, you can add a stage for lead qualification or create a custom field to track the source of a lead. One of the key benefits of customizing your sales pipeline is that it allows you to tailor your sales process to the specific needs of your business. For instance, if you're a B2B company, you may want to include a stage for account setup or a custom field to track the type of industry. In addition to customizing your sales pipeline, you can also use HubSpot's analytics and reporting tools to track your sales performance. This includes metrics such as conversion rates, sales velocity, and pipeline growth. By using these tools, you can gain valuable insights into your sales process and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. By following these steps and customizing your sales pipeline in HubSpot, you can create a sales process that is tailored to your business needs and helps you achieve your sales goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using HubSpot and other sales tools. Don't forget to like and comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance.